my name is Katya, and today on Internet Style we're going to be taking inspiration from the baddie aesthetic, specifically the Insta baddie subsection. For the purposes of this video, we are going to pretend that this is my natural hair and that it's completely real and totally real and natural. Okay? Thanks. This video is actually sponsored by Princess Polly. They have a huge selection of modern baddie clothes for you to pick out from on their website. I love their designs and their clothes are really good quality. I'm actually wearing the Eloise top right now and it's one of my favorite tops that I own. They ship from within the United States, and if you spend over $50 US, then you get free express shipping, which is only 3 to 4 days. If you can't afford to splurge all at once on a big purchase, Princess Polly also offers Afterpay for US customers, so you can pay your bill in installments. If you would like 20% off your order, you can use code Katya at checkout. I will link their website and the discount code in the description, so make sure you check that out. But with that being said, let's get into the video. So what exactly is the baddie aesthetic? I'm glad you asked. Urban Dictionary defines baddie as a confident woman, usually on Instagram, that is dressed to impress with flawless makeup, or makeup on fleek, as the cool kids say. Common themes in the baddie aesthetic include tight-fitting silhouettes, neutral color schemes, and provocative/revealing clothing. Most of the pieces worn in this aesthetic are similar to those worn by Instagram influencers and celebrities with millions of followers like Kylie Jenner and Megan Thee Stallion. The color palette for the baddie aesthetic mainly consists of neutrals like tan, beige, and gray, and of course your classics black and white. However, we do sometimes see coordinated pops of color. So for example, an outfit will be all black and white or neutral, but it'll feature an accessory in a neon or otherwise bright color. The fabrics and patterns we see in the baddie aesthetic fall into 3 main categories. You have your classics, which include denim, linen, and leather, your bougie inspired fabrics like silk, satin, and fur, and your trendier ones like vinyl or PVC, checkered or camo print, and ribbed textures. The most common articles in the baddie aesthetic in terms of tops include TLTs, or tiny little tops, which basically includes every type of crop top. The most popular type of crop tops include the tiny spaghetti strap crop top, tube tops, and long sleeve crop tops, which are usually used for more formal outfits, but basically any tight-fitting crop top will work perfectly for this aesthetic. Baddies also wear bodysuits, usually in tighter silhouettes. The majority of the bottoms in this aesthetic are feminine and have a high waist, so we see lots of tight-fitting bodycon mini and midi skirts along with skinny jeans. On the other side of the spectrum, we see sportier bottoms like cargo pants and sweatpants along with leggings. These sporty bottoms are usually paired with fancier tops for a trendy juxtaposition. As for dresses, they're usually bodycon tight-fitting and knee length or above. We also see lots of satin and cotton mini dresses. And as for one pieces, tight jumpsuits, catsuits, and rompers are pretty common, both in neutral colors and prints. Lastly, in this category, we have matching sets, both for going out and as homeware. So we'll either see printed, sequin, or otherwise extravagant sets, or on the opposite side of the spectrum, some athleisure such as a tracksuit or loungewear. Baddie outerwear mainly refers to crop puffer jackets, but denim jackets, flannels, and fur coats make appearances as well. A baddie shoes are either the strappiest, most feminine high-heeled sandal, or plain old sneakers, and there's no in between, except for thigh-high boots in materials like vinyl or velvet, and slides, sometimes with fur trimming. Jewelry is usually layered and features gems that appear to be expensive like rhinestones and diamonds. Large hoops are the go-to earring for the baddie, but any sort of long and dangly earring fits into this aesthetic just as well. A baddie's nails are always done, usually as long coffin-shaped acrylics adorned with lots of rings. Some other accessories we see in the baddie aesthetic include clutches and mini bags, sunglasses, fishnet stockings, and dad caps. Baddies can rock almost every kind of hairstyle, but the most worn are long straight styles, loose curls or waves, and sleek back high ponytails. The makeup for this aesthetic is usually pretty glam, but we do also see natural elements. There's emphasis on flawless skin and natural glow, usually achieved through intense contouring and highlighting. Nude lipstick and gloss are popular, and cat eyeliner and false lashes are considered essentials in baddie makeup. So I try to boil all this information down into 5 trendy outfits featuring Princess Polly items. Everything I wear will be linked in the description, so without further ado, let's go through them. The first outfit is a very classic combination of a white top and jeans. I incorporated the crop element of the aesthetic with the Concordia top, which is a simple white spaghetti strap top with mesh detailing on the waist. It's technically a basic piece, piece, but I think the ruching helps step it up a notch to fit into the bougier part of the aesthetic. Since the look was so simple, I toughened it up with a Riley faux leather jacket. The length and fabric of this jacket helps balance out the femininity of the top. I paired this outfit with the Paloma black mini bag. It's super versatile. It comes with two kinds of straps that can help you achieve both a classic look with a dainty silver chain or an edgier one with a nylon strap. I kept all the accessories simple and black and finished off the look with a silver necklace. I think the combination of a white top, jeans, and a leather jacket is the superior outfit formula, and I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram influencers lately, so it's kind of trendy for 2020, but at the same time, all the pieces are very classic, so it's the perfect marriage of those two parts of the baddie aesthetic. Outfit features the pink Coco bustier, which is basically another crop top, but it's more of a corset style tube top, which I think fits into the aesthetic very well because it's tight fitting and kind of revealing. I incorporated a leather element with the Sammy mini skirt. I think a leather mini skirt is kind of a closet staple even if you're not trying to be a baddie. I feel like it's very easy to style because it goes with basically any top. I think this combination of a crop top and a mini skirt is pretty common amongst the baddie, but you can achieve a similar effect with a bodycon dress in the same length as well. I wore this combo with some rhinestone accessories and a simple black mini bag. Outfit of the lot features the CoverGirl dress, which is basically a white button down, but make it fashion. It's fitted to the waist and it has these flared sleeves that I think make it look a little more unique than other white dresses. Since it is a white dress, it's also a basic and therefore versatile, so it's very easy to dress both up and down. You could wear it with sneakers and a sweater for a more casual look, or wear it like I did with these thigh-high black boots and the pink Porsche bag. This bag has a chain detail, so it's a little fancier than your average mini bag. Mini bags like this, especially in pink, are pretty common amongst baddies because they're inspired by Y2K, which is a very trendy way of dressing right now, and as we know, trends and baddies go hand in hand. Are majorly bougie, they don't necessarily shy away from athleisure either, so I wanted to showcase a more casual look featuring the Leon matching set, which includes a purple crop top with a butterfly decal and some matching sweat shorts. I never really wear sweatsuits, but this set is right up my alley because even though it's pretty sporty, it still maintains a trendy, feminine vibe because of the silhouette and color of the top. I also wore one of the necklaces from the Picture This chain set and some gold hoops. I accessorized with some white lace socks and glitter sneakers. Features the penny dress, which is one of my favorite dresses in my closet and on the Princess Polly website. It's this lilac bodycon spaghetti strap dress. I think this dress encompasses the baddie aesthetic very well because it incorporates both a bodycon silhouette and a trendy color. If lavender isn't your color, this dress does come in a bunch of other baddie-approved colors, including black and red. The dress is very simple, but it still has enough detailing that it can be worn on its own, like it doesn't really require much accessorizing. So I wore it with some black accessories, including the Paloma bag, and I added a few rhinestone encrusted jewelry pieces. Be a baddie but you don't have any of the clothing items I mentioned, there's lots of subsections to the baddie aesthetic. So you have like the Y2K baddie, the vintage baddie, the retro baddie. So you can basically wear whatever fits your personal style, but just try to incorporate one or two components of the baddie aesthetic. So maybe that's a tighter top or a neutral colored accessory. But like I mentioned before, you can always check out Princess Polly. They have tons of trendy clothes for you to pick from. And if you use my discount code Katya, you get 20% off your purchase. If you're interested in dressing in more feminine aesthetics, then make sure you check out this video about the cottagecore aesthetic next. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which outfit from 1 to 5 was your favorite, and like this video, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.